It is now 4 p.m. on May 9th, Beijing time. Yesterday, the video suggested that EURUSD should short sale above 1.1085, and the highest price was 1.1056, which was 29 pips away from the short selling point and did not enter. It fell to 1.0986 ahead of schedule, with a total of 70 pips decline. The other is gold. It was recommended to go long between 2006 in the video yesterday. After the release, the lowest price was 2017.9, which did not reach the entry point. The highest price is until 2029.4, and the biggest fluctuation in the whole day is only $12.4. Not surprisingly, the fundamentals are extremely anxious now, and there is no further news to drive the market. Especially with regard to U.S. interest rates, the current inflation rate is high, the employment rate is good, and the unemployment rate is also low. The probability of interest rate cuts is decreasing in the near future. Only when the interest rate cut starts, the price of gold is likely to rise further. What can determine whether the Fed will continue to maintain high interest rates, or whether expectations of interest rate cuts will increase, are more employment and US CPI data. The employment data has already been released, and the inflation data will be released tomorrow. Traders need to pay attention to high volatility and high-risk market. In addition, Lao Dai's team's main account has been using EA programs to do quantitative trading of EURUSD and GBPUSD, superimposing intraday signals and making stable profits of 8 to 13% every month. Those who follow us can join the real-time guidance group to get daily precise point signals, or you can choose to join the account management business and bind our master account to copy transactions. No limit to the platform's brokers. The observation password of the main account will be provided throughout the cooperation, and the effect of the account transaction can be seen within 2 weeks. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. The recent economic data in the Eurozone has cooled down, which is still slightly weaker than that in the United States. The narrowing trend of interest rate spreads between Euro and the US dollar is also slowing down, or it may take a longer period to achieve confidence. Before there is no better economic data or events to support the euro, the upside in EURUSD will become more and more limited. The lower support can focus on 1.0930 to 1.0900. The EURUSD is recommended to sell short at 1.1043 to 1.1110 with a stop loss of 1.1118. However, the biggest fluctuation of gold yesterday was only $12.4, and the market will be volatile before the CPI data is released this Wednesday. The vicinity of 2035 above is a point of decline after the non-agricultural announcement last Friday. During the day, you can pay attention to short selling near this position. Radical ones, gold recommends short selling at 2035 to 2036. Put a stop loss at 2048. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their support resistance and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signal review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing, but is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Li.